In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Revolut Business. We'll walk through sending money to a brand new recipient, then cover how to pay an existing recipient in a different currency, with clear pointers to keep everything accurate and secure. To send a transfer to a new recipient, start in your Revolut Business account and open the main menu. Head to Treasury. This is where you manage balances and payments. Select Send Money to begin a new transfer. When the payment window opens, click New, then choose the recipient type that matches who you're paying, such as a business or an individual. Picking the right type helps Revolut request the correct banking fields for that country and currency. Next, enter the required recipient details. This usually includes their full legal name and the bank information specific to the destination, like an IBAN, sort code and account number, or a routing number and account number. You may also be asked for the recipient's address. If their country doesn't use postcodes, type 000 in the postcode field so you can proceed. Before you can finish adding a new recipient, Revolut may prompt you to verify your identity with a quick selfie authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions. It only takes a moment and protects your account from unauthorized changes. Once your recipient is added, enter the amount you want to send. If you need to include an invoice number or purchase reference, click the reference field below the amount and type it in before sending. This small step makes reconciliation much easier later. Always double-check the recipient's account details. Required fields can vary by currency and country, and even a small typo can delay the transfer. If you're unsure about any field, like which account format to use, reach out to the recipient directly and confirm before you proceed. Now, if you want to pay an existing recipient in a new currency, you'll need to add that recipient again with the account details for the new currency. Go to Transfers on the main menu. On web, open Recipients from the left-hand menu. On mobile, tap the people icon in the top right corner, select your recipient, then choose Add New, and provide their bank details for the additional currency. This ensures the payment routes correctly and avoids conversion issues. If you ever need to remove a recipient, select them, click the three dots, and choose Delete. Confirm the action, and you're done. That's it. With these steps, you can send money confidently from Revolut Business, keep your records tidy, and minimize payment errors.